5 AI businesses that make 1K, even for designers. Want to see 5 AI-powered businesses making people over $1,000 a day with 0 employees? If you're a designer, artist, or just AI curious, this one's for you. Let's jump in. Welcome to Design Tech Chronicles, where design meets technology. Subscribe if you want tutorials, AI tools, and ways to turn creativity into income. Number 1. AI KDP joke books. Use tools like Claude, Canva, and ChatGPT to create and publish books on Amazon. Some earn $13,000 to $18,000 a month per book. Try niche humor like dad jokes for designers and stack that passive income. Number 2. AI tech shorts. Those futuristic gadget videos? Most are made with Nano Banana and Kling for under 30 cents a video, yet they rake in $8,000 to $63,000 per post. If you love visuals, this is your playground. Number 3. Printable party games on Etsy. Use ChatGPT, Perplexity, and Canva to design trivia packs. Simple templates can make $17,000 to $69,000 a month. Minimal effort, huge potential. Number 4. AI art for print on demand. Design shirts, posters, or wallpapers using Nano Banana and Canva. Then sell through Printify or Printful. Let AI help you market smarter, not harder. And number 5. AI background music channels. Generate lo-fi or ambient tracks with Suno for just 28 cents each. Pair with AI visuals, and you've got a channel earning $8,000 to $39,000 per video. AI isn't replacing designers, it's empowering them. Subscribe to Design Tech Chronicles for weekly AI and design insights. Let's shape the future, one minimalist idea at a time.